Hello friends, welcome. Today let us introduce you our new product. This one is coffee maker which included two ceramic mugs. Here if you will see two ceramic mugs. This one is 450 watts. If you will see this one, this coffee maker, we call it drip coffee as well because this is actually a drip coffee. Here if you will see, included with two mugs with the spoon, also with the permanent filter and filter holder. No need, here we have even mentioned no use of paper filter. Let's do the unboxing and see. Come friends, come here this side. Let us show you this one. If you will see, this one is the water and the coffee for the drip coffee. Here you close it. These are the mugs. Enjoy the drip coffee with two ceramic mugs. Here, have a look. Thank you friends. Thank you so much.